guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. If you're new here, welcome. We're so happy to have you. So this is the first half of the grocery haul, and all of these food items are from Costco, you guessed it, and they're mostly all healthy items, so I thought I would share them with you. So we got a bag of avocados. We got some Brussels sprouts because there's like a chopped salad that my sister has been raving about. We got some snap peas. These are so good to just snack on. I last time ate the whole bag to myself. Costco snap peas and just their produce in general is honestly the best produce I've had and the most fresh and just delicious I've had out of any store I've ever tried. I also got more acai. This is so good. I have a sweet tooth, so these have helped me out immensely. It's just these acai packets, and I put them in my blender. I have like a GNC blender. It was pretty cheap. Totally worth it, and I've had it for like maybe 4 years and it still works. And then, so I put this and then a little bit of almond milk and then a little bit of yogurt, and then I just add whatever crunchies and fruit in there that I want. I also got this bee-free bread. I have never tried it. Of course, raspberries because they're great for snacking and they go great on top of my acai bowls. This organic cheese and spinach ravioli. We got these last grocery haul I did, and oh my gosh, these were so good. We really enjoyed them, and you can really just pair it with any of your favorite like sauce, Alfredo sauce, or even marinara sauce of any kind. Goes great. I've also heard amazing things about this Mateo's gourmet salsa. Let's see if it will focus. And as far as the nutrition, it doesn't get any better than this. So it's just tomatoes, water, jalapeno peppers, dehydrated garlic, salt, cilantro, red wine vinegar, spices, lemon juice, concentrate. And that's it. So this is a very clean option if you're looking for salsas that aren't full of preservatives. Peaches. And we got a big thing of black beans because I really like black beans, and this was very affordable. It's 8 cans and it was like $5.60 for all of these, and I was like, okay, I'll just go ahead and grab those because I like them on my salads. And I was thinking about making just like a superfood bowl this week with like quinoa, black beans, like spinach and kale, probably some chicken, maybe some corn, something like that. If I end up doing that, I'll definitely make a video for you. Okay, so we got these Belvitas, and nutritionally these aren't the best for you just because the sugars are quite high, but there's a lot of fiber in them, and Rosalie loves these, and Zach's gonna love these. He hasn't tried this particular flavor, but I know that he's gonna love these. These are the cinnamon brown sugar. They actually had these at the gym the other day, so I grabbed one on my way out the door, and they tasted really good, so. See him spinning that meat hammer in the back. And for our meats, we got a salmon fillet. I'm not gonna tip this too much. I'm gonna get salmon juice all over the floor. We're about to cut this into pieces right now. And a big, what is this? A boneless pork loin. It's like literally the size of the half of me. And so we've never gotten this before, but we're looking for something new. And I'm pretty sure pork, this particular cut, is pretty fatty, you can see. But we can cut that out. We're gonna try this, try out some different recipes. Hopefully we can use all this. We're gonna cut this up into pieces as well and freeze it. And of course, a bunch of chicken breasts. We also got some cage-free egg whites. And these are just individual little cartons. It's okay, buddy. They're just individual little cartons, so it makes it really easy just to pour it into the pan, and it makes your breakfast process a lot easier. And then some bananas, because we've been craving bananas in this house, so. That ends the first portion of this grocery haul. God forbid you take more than one trip for groceries, am I right? Welcome back. This is the second half of the grocery haul, and this half is from Walmart. Oh my goodness. Today, for the first time, I did the grocery pickup from Walmart, where you just buy everything and do all the shopping online, and then you pull up and pop your trunk and they load everything up for you. Why have I not been doing this my entire life? Oh my goodness, so convenient, so perfect for people who have kids, because grocery shopping with kids is just, highly recommend trying this service out. Let's go ahead and jump into this grocery haul. So first, we got some almond milk, and I normally get the Silk almond milk, but I guess I added Almond Breeze to my cart instead this time, so we'll see if it's as good. And if you've watched any of my grocery hauls, you know I always get these. This is the almond milk, the Natural Bliss Caramel Creamer, and these are so good. The sugar is a little bit high on them, so I am a little bit more strict about my serving size. I usually only do 1 tablespoon. I also got some Oikos 000 Greek yogurt, and this is the vanilla. I put this in my acai bowls. I also got this massive thing of Quaker oats. This is 100% whole grain, old-fashioned oats as a good source of fiber to help support a healthy digestive system. Next, I got a bunch of veggies, so I'm just gonna go through all of them real quick. A big head of lettuce for our salads for this week. An orange pepper. A red pepper. Baby kale and spinach blend also for our salads. Mushrooms. I got some butternut squash veggie spirals. These are by Green Giant. And I haven't tried these before, but I'm really looking forward to it. I like veggie noodles, so this should be a hit. We'll see. And I also got these veggie tots. These are cauliflower tots, because Rosalie is such a picky eater, and she literally will only eat things that are like potatoes, so like mashed potatoes or hash browns or fries, things like that. So I'm thinking maybe she'll like these tots, because she likes regular tots. So I just have been really trying to find a way to sneak some veggies into her diet. We love green beans in this house. We do the canned French style green beans, and these are so easy to just throw in the pan, and you put onion powder and garlic powder on top and salt and pepper, and seriously, just it's so simple, so easy, and so nutritious, and it's so easy to pair with like a meat and like a carb. I got onion powder because, like I said, we use it on our green beans all the time. So we got a big thing of the onion powder. We got slivered almonds because I'm gonna start adding these to my salads. Some vanilla wafers because obviously these aren't really healthy, but I add a few to my acai bowls because it just, I don't know what it is, but it's like the perfect crunch in your acai bowl, and they're so sweet. But obviously not good for you. But adding a few I don't think is that big of a deal. I got these Kind bars. These are the blueberry, vanilla, and cashew, and I've been eating these for like a year now. So tasty, but you literally don't have to feel guilty about eating them. The ingredients in these are very clean. We got my coffee. We've been using the Gevalia French roast dark. Got a big thing of brown rice. And this is the taco seasoning we use. It's the Ortega taco seasoning mix. And we used to get the little packets, and I was just tired of running out. We're constantly running out of taco seasoning packets. So I just got a big one this time so we didn't run into that problem again. We got 5 dozen eggs. We eat a lot of eggs, and eggs don't go bad very quickly, so just getting a big one for us makes more sense. So that is it for this grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you love videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I upload new videos every single weekend. I of course have an Instagram if you would like to follow me there and keep up to date with all of our shenanigans. My name is Liz Aldinger. Go follow me for lots of fitness stuff and mommy content. All right, that's enough for now. I will see you in a week. Bye, loves.